This year is truly very important for Timișoara and also for the West University. Last years, we promised you we will bring here in Aula Magna of our university very famous minds from the world. And then we promise you we will bring here 3 Nobel Prize winners. We will not do that. We will not do that because we will bring here in front of you not 3, they will be 5. And this list starts today with Mr. Orhan Pamuk.
Orhan Pamuk is one of the most influential and important writers in the whole world, not only because he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature. Actually, he has been awarded many other prizes. Meilleur livre européen, Prix féminin, Prix Médicis, Premio Cavour, and so on and so forth. You name it, he's got it.
As you know, in 2006, Mr. Pamuk was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature, and the motivation, I liked it very much, for the quest for the melancholic soul of his native city, in which he discovered new symbols for the clash and interlacing of culture.
We read novels because we want to see the world through other people's eyes. We are perhaps bored with our limited vision. We want to experience other persons, what they see, what they enjoy, what they think, how they feel. We both test our feelings, whether they're universal, whether others share our jealousy, anger, what happens to us when we are in love. These are also these sentiments, the desire to understand, sentiment of desire to understand is, in a way, compassion. So I think compassion is a strong human strength that makes civilization possible too. I cannot think about a life without books. I enjoyed my life just living in a room for almost 45 years. I'm a solitary person because if you're a fiction writer, you have to be alone in a room. I'm always surrounded by books. I am grateful to my late father, who bought a lot of books, who read a lot of books. I cannot think a life without books.
Professor Pamuk will become member of our academic staff. He will receive Doctor Honoris Causa title.